Hey guys, got a 2019 plate Kia Picanto here. I'm just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to go to the screen in the centre of the dash. And from here, just going to go to set up clock. That's that. Now from here, scroll down with the right dial here. Go to sound, clock. Get in. And first we're going to go to the clock, so we're going to click the dial in on clock. And here you just want to adjust the hour by turning the dial. And when you're finished, click in the dial and move to the next, to the minutes. And turn that round to what you need. And click in the dial to confirm. And AM and PM, click that in. And once you're done, click it in and it'll come off. That'll save that. And then you want to scroll down to dates. And then same on this, adjust it to what you need, and click it in, it moves over the month, and then the year, click it again. That's your date saved. And then time format, you've got 12 hour and 24 hour. And once you're done on there, you want to press back. And that's it.